about number sentences that are true. This answer is false because 3 divided by 10 is 3. 3 times 10 is 3.
Is it 3? Is it not 4?
No.
3 or 30? Read the question well.
30 divided by 10 is 4.
10 times
10 times
4 is what?
10 times 4 is 40.
Okay.
So this answer is false. 24 divided by 4 is 7. 4, 4, 2, 8, 4, 3, 12, 4, 4, 6, 4, 5, 20, 4, 6, 24, 4, 7, 28. This answer is false. 21 divided by 37. 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 4, 12, 3, 5, 15, 3, 6, 18, 3, 7, 21. This answer is correct because 3 divided by 21. What 38 divided by 4 is 9. No. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. That's correct because 10 times 10 is 100. This answer is correct because 3, 4 is 4. 25 divided by 5 equals 7. Answer is correct because 7, 5 is 35 and 5, 7 is 35. This answer is correct. This answer is correct.
What again?
Oh.
7 times 5 is what?
7 times 5 is 7 times 5 is 35. So this answer is incorrect. 86 divided by 4 is 9. 4, 4, 4, 2, 8, 4, 3, 12, 4, 4, 16, 4, 5, 4, 5, 20, 4, 6, 24, 4, 7, 28, 4, 8, 28, 28, 28, 25, 28, 28, 29, 30, 31, 30, 20, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 30, answer 32. This answer is definitely false. Sixty divided by 10 is 8. Wrong. Incorrect because 10 6 is 60. 10 and 10 is 80. 40 divided by 2 is 11. That is very incorrect. 30 divided by 3 is 10. Correct, cause 3 times 10 is 30. 50 divided by 5 is 11. That's wrong. 60 divided by 10 is 5. Wrong. 5, because 10 5 is 50. And 10, 6 is 60. 48 divided by 28 divided by 4 is 24. 28 divided by 4 is 6. 4, 4, 2, 8, 4, 3, 12, 4, 4, 6, 3, 4, 4, 5, 24, 6, 24. It's wrong. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Wrong. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4, 2, 2, 4. 36, 2, 4, 8. This one is the only correct.
5, 8 is what?
5, 8. This was also correct because 5,
Why?
because 5, 8 is 40. Yes, that is a pattern. 5 times a pattern. Select all the numbers that substances that are true. 24 divided by 4 is 5. 24 divided by 4 is 5. 4. That's also correct. Incorrect. It's literally incorrect. 15 divided by 3 is 3. I want 5, 3, and 3. 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 9, 3. This answer is slightly incorrect. 3 divided by 10 is 5. Wrong. I'm not even going to say what it's wrong. 18 divided by 2 is 5. 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, 12, 2, 7, 2, 7, 14, 2, 6, 2, 7, 14, 2, 8, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 16. The answer is 16. 17, 15. The answer is correct because 2, 9 is 18. 50 divided by 5 is wrong. Because 5, 10 is 40. Don't do that. I think that English. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Correct. Because 4, 10 is 40. 3 divided by 5 is 3 9 divided by 3 is 5. Bro, it's literally incorrect. 60 divided by 10 is 7. None of these answers are correct. 60 divided by 10. 7. That's wrong.
40 divided by
This one's correct. That's the only correct answer. Five divided by 5 is 5. Correct because 5 is 25. 15 divided by 3 is 4. They don't understand English. Wrong. Because 3, 5 is 15, but 3, 4 is not. Okay, so 20 divided by 4. I'm really getting mad now because that's not correct. 10 divided by 2 is 4. No, it's not. It is not correct.
which one is the correct one?
This one's correct.
Okay.
But that down minutes.
Bravo.